The roots of our past define our future. Now, in its 45th year, the Iowa Soybean Association reflects on its proud legacy and partnership with Iowa farm families and their communities.
Soybeans are often called the magical bean because of its many uses and extreme versatility. In the food world, soy can be substituted for several meat and dairy products, or it's great on its own. Soy is the only plant protein that is equivalent to an animal protein and has all amino acids. Linda Funk, Executive Director of the Soy Foods Council, shares an update on the exciting soy protein research and products available today.
In 1999, the FDA gave soy protein a health claim, stating that if you consume 25 grams of soy protein per day in the context of a low-fat and low-saturated fat diet, it may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease by lowering blood cholesterol levels. This, however, was only the beginning. There has been numerous research surrounding soy and its potential health benefits. One of the most breakthrough discoveries is that soy may reduce the risk of breast cancer in women. Studies have shown that young girls between the ages of 6 to 18 who consume soy have almost a 50% less chance of developing breast cancer when they get older. Just 1 or 2 servings a day is all young girls need.
Men, don't feel left out just yet. Other studies have shown that soy may reduce the chances of prostate cancer thanks to isoflavones. Hundreds of laboratory studies have found that isoflavones directly inhibit the growth of different types of cancer cells.
Exciting new research conducted through Iowa State University, funded by the Iowa Soybean Association, concluded zinc and iron bioavailability was not adversely impacted when young, premenopausal women consume soy protein versus animal protein. Good news for women who choose soy.
To learn more about the benefits of soy, visit www.thesoyfoodscouncil.com.